we were at the Richmond County Fair, not looking to have windows done, although we had spoken to contractors before, and we saw you had a booth that looked inviting. We went and spoke with John, and we decided to go ahead with the project back in September. Excellent. That's why we went ahead with it.
Oh, I thought they did a great job. The men were very conscious of what they were doing. They were constantly working. They weren't taking breaks, and they did an excellent job cleaning up afterwards.
Also, we had 2 different projects done. One was a couple of months ago, and I was so happy with the workers that I asked to have the same workers on the second project.
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely.